What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with your daily dose of cryptocurrency news. To start us off in today's video, we're going to be talking about Tom Lee. Tom Lee has said that Ether is about to rally strongly. Ether has lost 70% of its value this year, but Wall Street's biggest crypto bull says it's about to rally strong. FundStrat's Tom Lee says the past 4 out of 4 times Ether underperformed other cryptocurrencies by 2 standard deviations, it saw a major trend reversal. It was one of the best performing cryptocurrencies last year, but Ether struggled from a lack of confidence in its technology roadmap, increased competition, and panic selling. Now, in my opinion, these all could be summed down to one thing, or 2 things I should say. 1, the bear market. It's affected everything. And 2, a lot of people have been shaken a little bit by Ethereum scalability. Now, I do think Ethereum will improve its scalability drastically. I think Vitalik is a very smart person and he has a very smart team. And there are a lot of proposals out there on how to do so. So they have a lot of different options. So I am confident that Ethereum could improve its scalability. I could be wrong, but I don't think I am. So there's that. Ether has had a tough year, but it's not too late for a comeback. According to Bitcoin bull Tom Lee, the world's second largest digital asset is down more than 70% since January and can't seem to find its footing after a breakout in 2017. Now, this part right here is changing a bit. Ether has been between second and third place as far as market cap goes. It has been leapfrogged by XRP, then it went back over XRP. So we'll just say second to third largest, and that's the same thing I said about XRP, just because the market caps are so close together. So the world's second to third largest digital asset is down more than 70% since January and can't seem to find its footing. In the past 3 months alone, it has dropped 50%, and it largely underperformed other top cryptocurrencies according to data from CoinDesk. The last 4 out of 4 times it lagged behind its peers that badly by 2 standard deviations. Lee said Ether saw a major trend reversal. Quote, "We believe Ethereum is about to stage a trend reversal and rally strongly." Lee, managing partner and head of research at FundStrat Global Advisors, said in a note to clients Thursday. Ether was the star cryptocurrency last year, way outperforming its predecessor Bitcoin, but 2018 has been a different story. Investor patience is wearing thin. Mainstream adoption isn't here yet. Folks can now short the market, and blockchain competitors like EOS are gunning to the top platform for developers. Lee, meanwhile, quote, "believes sentiment is currently overly negative on ETH. While it has underperformed its peers by 2 standard deviations, Lee said that's a sign." The former JP Morgan chief equity strategist said the cryptocurrency was dogged by a heavy supply being sold from EOS, which built its platform on Ethereum, then switched to its own new token. Lee also highlighted questions about its blockchain technology roadmap and panic selling by ICO teams. So what he means here is basically that ICOs, they raise money. They need that money to develop their product. Of course, say they're making a decentralized application, a dApp. They need that money, and because they see the price going down, they, in essence, panic sell it, and that causes the price to go further down because they need cash because they don't want to lose all their money. So it's panic selling by ICOs definitely has an effect. Ether is the name of the cryptocurrency, but is closely associated with the popular Ethereum blockchain. Unlike Bitcoin, which gives access to global financial networks, Ether gives you access to a computer network. So I do kind of agree with Tom Lee. I'm a big believer in Ethereum. I'm a big believer in Ether, and I trust Vitalik. I think he's a very smart man. He has a very smart team. I do think Ether is due for a, I guess, bull run because it's been beaten down so much. And I think there is going to be a flood of capital that comes in to its market cap that kind of picks it up from its current range. Not too much more to say about that. I believe in Ether. I don't know how strong it's going to rally. I'm not saying I agree with rally strongly. It could, but it's definitely due for a decent sized rally. So in conclusion of that story, Ethereum is due for a bull run. Next up, cryptocurrency giant Bitmain reveals profits in IPO plan despite slump in Bitcoin. So Bitmain has about 30% of its assets in cryptocurrencies, which have nosedived this year. Now they are going to try an IPO, which basically an IPO is an initial public offering. What that means is that they're going to be a publicly traded company. They're going to be a publicly traded company where if you want to buy stock in them, you could. No different than buying stock in Walmart or whatever. Now, I think the current bear market will create some fear of people investing in Bitmain, and even a lot of people in the cryptocurrency community aren't too fond of Bitmain. They say that Bitmain has too much power. I'm not going to agree or disagree with that, but that is a possible thing to look out for, and that is that people in the crypto community might be skeptical of their IPO, and people outside the crypto community might also be skeptical of their IPO because of the slump in crypto prices. But I wish them the best with their IPO if they're going to go through with it. The company is still profitable, as you can see. And overall, yeah, Bitmain does have a lot of power in the crypto industry. Okay, so next up, Opera's desktop browser now has built-in Ethereum support, so we are starting to see mainstream browsers implement Web3. Opera, the first ever mainstream browser to implement native Ethereum support on its mobile browser, announced today that the feature is now available for desktop, exposing a vast amount of users to the worlds of cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications. The latest version of Opera Labs, Opera's experimental release similar to Chrome's Canary releases, now includes a cryptocurrency wallet feature, which was rolled out quietly on Wednesday. Opera is currently the 5th most widely used browser in the world. 3.5% of all internet users use Opera to access the web, which means hundreds of millions of monthly users can now be using dApps like CryptoKitties. Overall, this is good news. I don't think this is directly tied to Ethereum's price today. I think it might have had a effect on it, but overall this is small news, but it's good news, if that makes sense. They are not a super popular browser by any means, but still 3.5% of world's internet users, that's a lot of people. And even if a fraction of them look at this and get an interest in cryptocurrency and an interest in Ethereum and an interest in dApps, decentralized applications, that could be good for the cryptocurrency community. We need more people interested, we need more developers interested, and that is what will make crypto grow. Now onto the market today. Guys, we're looking healthy. We're looking healthy when it comes to the market. I'm not calling a bull run yet, but it's very possible. Today, we see some more big gainers. We see Ethereum up 4.51%, XRP still up a bit, Bitcoin Cash up almost 8%, normal Bitcoin up almost 3%, not too bad there. Cardano up 7%. Total market cap is at $223 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 51.8%. We're looking good right now, guys. We're looking good right now. I'm not saying we're definitely going to have a bull run right this second, but it wouldn't surprise me because of so many smart people saying that we hit the bottom, which in a sense means we hit our price floor where it won't really go lower from that, and that gives the bulls full, I guess, freedom to throw as much money into this as you want. Again, you shouldn't FOMO. I'm not saying you should FOMO, but you do want to buy cryptocurrencies when they're down. So just keep that in mind. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon so you're up to date with all the cryptocurrency news and reviews. I'm the Naughty Investor, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Quick thing I forgot to mention, if you are not already following me on Twitter, you should be, because I will be more active over there. If you have any questions, ask me over there. Ask them in the comments down below of this video as well, but if I don't get to them because YouTube doesn't always notify me, ask them over there on Twitter. Be sure to follow me there. I will be more active over there in the coming weeks. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for your continued support.